because I'm sincere, I told the truth. I don't have to remember what the lies I told, because what comes from me is very spontaneous, and that's the way I'm people that I like to socialize. I like to have a lot of friends. I like to have a lot of friends, especially in the coffee industry. So, Vittorio Arduino, so it reminded me of the old days. It's one of the oldest coffee machine. Then it was I was so glad that Sandro Feliciani, he bought the brand. He brought the name, and then now he revived the brand. It basically was a machine that was extinguished, was a die, and then now we come to a resurrection with the Feliciani family. Yeah, the best memory was once was on a trade show in Seattle, and somebody called me, Gianni. I was with a roaster from Cafe Vita in Seattle, so we worked in the show, and it was our shows. And the guy says, "You know who he is?" He says, "Yeah." I says, "I know who he is." But I says, "I never met him." So and he told me, Gianni, he says, "Thank you for what you do to Starbucks." And he says, "I know you live in Vancouver. One of those days I come to visit you." I said, "Hey, I want to say anytime." So, but that was a great experience. Yeah, it should be the barista competition should be one that's transport the culture all over the coffee, the passion. That's what to encourage other people to encourage other people to do coffee. Like an ambassador. An ambassador should be. I like a cappuccino in the morning and then espresso. But usually my drinks, I drink without sugar, regardless. Italian generally should start to drink coffee without the sugar. Not to put the sugar on top of the cream to see how long it stays. They say it's a good coffee, they should taste better. It's a long story. Yeah, I came to Canada in 1964. I spent 5 years in Germany. We drove to Canada, not to emigrate, for looking for work, but just for a new adventure. So I went to the Canadian Council for apply to emigrate to Canada. And they want to give me a working contract. And I say, I want to go to Canada without any ties. So without working, so says you cannot go. I says, okay, easy, I'm not going. So finally, after the step, I could go. So then I drove from Düsseldorf to Bolzano to say hello to my family. I says, I'm going to Canada, good luck. So I just bought a brand new Alfa Romeo. I drove to Rotterdam, took my car on the ship, and they sailed from Rotterdam to Montreal. I couldn't speak English, still I don't speak English properly, and I don't know nobody. So I took my car and drove, I don't know where to go. So I drove across Canada to Vancouver. And so it was very easy. That's when I started, once in Vancouver, I started my contact with my friends. I started to meet the Bresciani family, Remo, Tommaso, and they used to be cooperated with the Simonetta at the time. So we're talking about 1964, 65, 67. So that was my first account over there in Canada. Oh, see, I was involved in 1911 after with the World Barista competition, and so after the day, the finish of the competition, I was helping with tear down the booth. I was really tired. And then we went, talking about bus, we went to a club. That's a club is like 5 blocks. Was so huge, unbelievable. Soon I got there, was music, started drinking, started dancing. So I was not tired anymore.